It's been almost 6 years since the conflict in Syria erupted. Showing little to no signs of ceasing, over 7 million people have been internally displaced, primarily surviving on aid. Another 5 million Syrians have sought refuge abroad, risking their lives in hopes of a better future for themselves and their families. We've all seen the daily reports of casualties of the conflict in Syria. The unfortunate cases of refugees who have perished whilst fleeing their homes, and the ongoing challenges facing them as they persevere in starting new lives in their new environments. The people of Syria are at risk each and every single day. If not from the conflict, malnutrition, lack of access to clean and safe water, and healthcare, then from the elements. Winter for them is a life-threatening season. This winter, Al-Khair Foundation is providing winter warmer packs to countless families trying to survive the harsh and bitter weather that is taking hold of the region.
Alhamdulillah, we have distributed the winter jackets to the boys and girls here, which only has been possible because of your donations, mashallah.
Each winter warmer pack includes blankets, clothing, basic medical supplies and supplements to safeguard a family through this winter season. Bring warmth now to some of the most desperate and vulnerable people in Syria by calling 03000 999 786 or give online at alkhair.org.